Hi guys, this is Nora with Willin and Dylan with Willie 5 again, and I'm going to attempt to do a voiceover on this video. This is a CHKD thrift store that I went to last Tuesday, so I'm going to go ahead and try to do the narration on this. This is me going through the first aisle. As I go in, I go to the left, and on the right side is coats, and I'm just looking through the coats and jackets and all that. And on my left side will be some hard goods like glass and ceramics and stuff like that you can see there. I just am going down the aisles, going side to side, looking at each side and picking up things and looking at them. And it's me just going down the aisles, just looking at the bottom of some of the items that I picked up to see if there's any markings on it or anything like that. They have quite a bit of the same stuff about every week. I go every Tuesday, so a lot of the stuff I've seen before, but every so often they pop some new stuff in there. And I'm still going down the aisle. There's a nice Christmas or Easter glass that I didn't really want to mess with shipping. Still looking through the jackets as I go down the aisle as well. Like I said, a lot of the jackets were the same thing that I see about every week. I pop one or two out every so often and look at it. But on this trip, I didn't really get any jackets. This is a particular item that I have already on eBay, something similar to it that's not really moving, so I didn't get it this time. It's like a combination metal and porcelain on the inside. This is the aisle where the kitchen items are as well. About half of the aisle is the ceramics and stuff, and then the majority of it is the kitchen items and dishes and all kinds of stuff. These are two items that I decided to go ahead and get. The Snoopy I'm going to try to sell on eBay. The smaller one I wanted to probably get for some loose coffee that I have, ground coffee. For the Keurig, it's easier to dip out with that little spoon. And this is just me trying to be creative and show you how I go down the aisle. I just propped the camera up because there weren't too many people in the store. This, by the way, this is a 25% off day on Tuesday. So everything I get is 25% off. And these are the t-shirts. They had a lot of the same t-shirts, but they popped a few new ones in there, so I'm trying to find some new t-shirts. I love selling graphic t-shirts on eBay. They seem to sell pretty good. And I'm just going down the aisles. Like I said, this is the same stuff I've been seeing. But you know, every so often I'll see something I haven't seen before, and I'll just pop it out and look at it, see if it's worth getting. These are just some local t-shirts that I have in there, but this is a good one that I actually did get. This is a Baymax from Big Hero 6 movie. I actually like that movie. So that's Disney, so I went ahead and got that. And there's another Disney item. It's also a Vans long sleeve t-shirt, and I ended up getting that as well. It has Mickey Mouse down the arms. Has the Vans logo down at the bottom there. Okay guys, at this point I'm going to show you what I get here at the end of the video. So here it is. Okay, here's what I'm getting.
I definitely we had to move. Told my husband we gotta move. Because I just sure told him something. You know, it's in the Bible. You don't call nobody a fool. You'll find something in there. Pretty color. I like the color. Yeah, it does.
Okay guys, this is a couple of shirts of Joseph A. Banks that I ended up getting for someone else. So it's not part of my haul here. So I just wanted to let you guys know that.
Oh, I see. That's amazing.
This is a good brand, I think.
Yep. You don't know everything is in it. Yeah.
You have to open your CD case to make sure your CDs are in there.
Uh-huh. You're right.
Yes, you do.
I hate taking the last way to do it. They make sure they take. Oh.
Okay, guys, this next shirt here, I think is really a good one. I don't think I'm going to put this up for $50 or best offer. This is a Air Jordan character where he is licking the shoe, so I think that's pretty good. Okay, guys, the dust you see on the sleeve is just dust off the floor there. It brushed right off, so there's no problem there. Okay, guys, this is the end of the video, so I hope that you enjoyed this little trip to the thrift store again. And if you enjoyed this type of content, please hit the like and make a little comment if you like, and hit the little bell button if you'd like to see more of this type of video from me. And I'll be sure to do that for you guys in the future. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all the next time.